Hey everybody, we are going to do a tour of the buffet here at Royal Solaris. This is Royal Marinas. This is the members buffet. I'm just going to do a quick tour to show you what they have here. This is the omelet station, and they will make any kind of egg, any kind of omelet that you want. You just tell them what you want. They have every kind of meat that you want. They have shrimp to add, many eggs as you want, all the good stuff. Syrup for the hot cakes and the French toast and the waffles. French toast is amazing here. And then all kinds of other dishes. My favorite here is the chilaquiles, the green, the verde. So good. They have beans. They have some sandwiches. Let's see, beef stew, lentil stew, sliced peppers, pork fajitas, roasted eggplant, wedge potatoes, which they're going to bring in a second, nopales, which is cactus, which is really, really good if you've never had it. It's got some onion in there, white rice. These are different soups, or no, sorry, this is oatmeal, and some hot chocolate, and then the salad and cheese bar. So normally we come down here, Pico de Gallo, and we will get some of these and put it on the plate and bring it back to our room and put it in the refrigerator. Yes, you can do that. You can also take some of the cheeses and the meats and get some bread, take it back to your room and make a sandwich. Turkey, ham, manchego cheese, zucchini. They've got some more ham back there. And then all different kinds of yogurt, cottage cheese. Looks like some, where is it? I get this cream that you put on the fruit. I think that's it back there. We'll try that. And then a whole bunch of fresh fruit, which is my favorite every morning. You can get room service here. That's included as a guest of ours, as a VIP guest, because we're owners here. And juice. And I'll show you my favorite juice. They have, so they have chocolate milk and regular milk, tamarind water, orange juice, and then my favorite is the green juice right here. I get this every single morning. I got the recipe from one of the servers in Cabo, and it is amazing. So here is some tapioca pudding in here. You can't really see it. Tapioca pudding, which is amazing. Some Jello parfait, that is also amazing. This is the bread bar here. We have cereal over here. This is Café de Olla, which is amazing. If you like coffee, it's got cinnamon and vanilla in it. It's very, very good. Unlike anything you've ever had. It's very, very good. All kinds of different cereals. And then you get the milk over there where I showed it to you. And then different sweets, pan dulce, that you can also bring back to your room, which is what we normally do. We're going on an excursion this morning, though. So these are my favorite right here. And the little croissants, and then the bread, and then we usually get some of this bread right here to make on our sandwiches and bring it back to the room. Or, oh, they don't have, they've got some donuts this morning though. Some donuts up here, and this is pain de chocolat in French. I know what they are, but these are like little croissants with chocolate. They're amazing. And some more shaped differently, but the same. And then over here, let's see. Over here, I think there is, oh, I thought there was ice cream in there. Usually there's ice cream. Let's see. Some jams for your toast, some honey, wheat bran, and all kinds of grains to put on your cereal. Hope you guys can see that. This is sweetened condensed milk, which you can put on your fruit, which is very, very good. Melon, and this is more fruit. It's one of the omelets. And cubed potatoes and chicken fajitas with vegetables. I'll show you what that looks like because this is amazing too. And then a toaster where you can toast your own bread and your bread. You guys see that? I don't know why the sun's in here, but you can get this bread too and bring it back to your room. Here's the plates. They'll cover it for you if you want. Bring it back with all the fixings for a sandwich. You got an easy lunch if you're going on an excursion driving, it's perfect to take with you. And then members get to sit down here. This is the whole members bar. Depending on what wristband you have, some people have red wristbands, which is an RCI exchange, and they're considered members here because they're members somewhere else. What we have is this right here, which tells you that we are owners here at Solaris. This is our table, and here's the beach. There you go. Beautiful. So, and it's very big, and this does fill up. So, beautiful. We're in a palapa. You can't beat this, you guys. And this is every morning, only for members or guests of members. So, that's it. And there's the beach right there. You can hear the ocean waves with your breakfast. It's amazing. So, for washing, I gotta shut off my alarm, but I will see you guys later. Lots to do and see. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.